Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Alamin Shorkar, the CEO and co-founder of Barikoi. So Barikoi is one of the most used terms in Bangladesh in starting a conversation, which means um, when we start a conversation, we always ask Barikoi. Which why is that? Because Barikoi is an identity to you, where you live, right? And it's an identity to get services to you. And what if I take your identity and put it in a wall like this, and write it like this? This is a common scenario, right? We are all Bangladeshis, right here? It is a common scenario over here. So finding this is very hard because you cannot find it on Google Maps because it's a set of directions to get over there. We are becoming digital. Bangladesh is going digital. Still, we are keeping this analog, unstructured addressing system in our country, which causes problems to the which creates a barrier in the growth of e-commerce and logistics in Dhaka and even in the country. Uh, Believe me, like e-commerce logistics only in Dhaka, the last mile logistics, people are wasting or 5,000 hours a day searching addresses, which is equivalent to 150,000 taka in Bangladesh. Dhaka. And this is a factual thing. But what about the experience, user experience? People buy on e-commerce and they have to get on the phone 5 to 8 times every day just to give addresses to the delivery man. And this increases the churn rate of e-commerce, and which is killing our e-commerce. That's why we came up with a solution. We make addresses simpler to make services efficient, to make our cities smart. We take a simple your long address, which is not available in Google Maps, of course, and convert it in short code, which you can easily verbally tell to people with your exact location, and make it smart. Our app turns any address, whether you have address or you don't have address, into a smart one in 3 simple steps. One, you open the app, you point your location, you fill up the address, and you're done. Our simple use cases are logistics, as I mentioned earlier. Logistics, as in last mile logistics, can get up to 30% efficient in their operations, which means saving money for them and customer experience or user experience for the e-commerce sites, as well as the government. They can use this address, a unique address, to digitize the automation of taxes, GIS information. And think about that. The Rohingya problem is going on, right? And there is a camp every single where, and they don't have any address. And it is tough to deliver services where you don't have address. With a simple app, you can just create an address instantly, and you can just share it to anyone with emergency services as well. Think about it. We can make an impact on 160 million people in Bangladesh, and there are 4 billion people who lack addresses all over proper addresses all over the world. And we are helping a growing industry to be efficient by 30%, which is currently worth 70 million. Our current traction, we are in beta stage. 12,000 addresses have been made in our platform so far, and we have added 400,000 addresses all over the country. We are taking help of these companies to hone our application and to cater our e-commerce and logistics on-demand transportation as well. The main competitor would be for us is government, because they are working on the addressing part. But locally, we don't have any active competitor. Internationally, we have Zipper in India, and we have OKHi in Kenya doing the exact same thing for their own respective country. Our business model is currently simple. We are catering e-commerce and logistics companies. We are a B2B business, and we are taking a cut on per delivery. Our possibilities are very good on expanding other markets, for example, real estate and tourism, and I mentioned the other two. Our investment requirements is simple. We are looking for $25,000 to acquire data, develop our product, and sales and marketing. And it will give us a roughly 12 months of runway. And we're going to map 500,000 addresses in Dhaka city with the same amount of money. And this is our team. I'm the CEO, and what makes us special is that we have hands-on experience, and we share the same vision to make a big impact, which can transform our country and into a smarter one. Thank you very much.